All right, guys, this is day 25 of trading full time again. Very nice profit today. I am up green 23 of 25 trading days, and those 2 days that I'm down actually were less than my average day. So the losses are controlled. Intraday, I had a couple wild swings, not so much today, but earlier this week. But we managed to pull through, and we're looking really solid for another day of solid gains. So I'm going to kind of share you see some of my trades and where the account was throughout the day. This is a trading vlog. I'll keep chronicling it. I believe NVIDIA, I'm pretty sure, has its earnings today. I'm looking at the chart right now after hours because the market just closed. And that's pretty much going to set the mood for the market tomorrow. We either go up or continue this decline that we've been having lately. Okay, it's about 9:56 a.m., about 30 minutes into the market, up 1239. Holding those Teslas overnight actually worked out. Holding that APP did not. Huge gap down on some really bad news into the short report about the company. But I did catch some of these calls when the stock was tanking and it did get a little bounce. So we're trading in and out of that. But that's basically why we're up. And I made some money on the S&P futures options as well. So good start to the day. But APP is going to definitely, it's been sliding for a long time. Huge gap down 18% on this news. I think the selling's probably done, man. It was already in a downtrend after great earnings, which it made an all-time high. It's been selling off ever since, so I kind of feel like the selling's done, and I'll be playing call options on the weakness today and see how we end up.
A few moments later.
All right, we got APP at new lows of the day, about 292.64. Crazy, man. So we're still up about $400. Got 60 shares of this. Got a couple call options. That's the main thing that's in play. Actually, Palantir in 88.70. I'm going to about to pick up 100 shares of that. That actually looks pretty good still for a bounce today, I'm thinking.
A few moments later.
All right, that was a nice move up from the lows of 288 back to 307. We actually sliced through 310 on APP, so we got the account at 1809. It's looking pretty good. Close some of this stuff.
A few moments later.
All right, 10:43 a.m. Spent an hour and 15 minutes. Felt like way longer than that, so we're up over $2,000. That Palantir, when it was under 88, did work out. It went back up to 90, and then APP is back up to 320 from getting below 290. So the plays worked out, man. The plays worked out. The only calls I have left are the ones I was holding from yesterday, which obviously are down pretty significantly. But overall on APP, we are up $720 for the day. On Palantir, we're up $591 of the day. WRD, we're up 105. The S&P, so we're up 552. So yeah, we're at $2,082.95. So looking pretty good. The bulk of the trades are closed right now. I did get more of that Tesla though. We had a big dip to about 295. It's 298. So I still like these call options, that expire next week. So we'll see how that plays out, and I'll keep monitoring everything else.
A few moments later.
All right, let's see what we got. The market's literally going to close in 2 minutes. This account's not really going to change at this point. We are up 2187.95, which is a good thing. I lost out on Tesla, down 56.50. Had some options. I still like it though, man. I'm gonna hold my 4 call options that expire next week. Children's Place I told you about. I'm holding these 5 because I think it's gonna just gap up out of the blue or get a crazy pop, And then, yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, and I still love the trade desk for a bounce, man. It keeps getting up to about 75, 76 and smash down. It's going to close the day at 72.30, so I'm going to play that again. But I'm going to hold a couple of options in case it gaps up. If it does, I'm going to keep buying the stock all the way down to 70, and eventually we'll get a sustainable move. So that one's still in play. APP, I was holding a contract overnight, man. Some bad news came out. So that one cost me $745, but trading in and out of it, I got all that back. Basically, my profit on APP was $1,245. So that alone would have netted me about $2,000 had I not held that contract overnight that got cremated. Made about 727 on the S&P futures contracts. That's always been pretty good for me. So I had a couple of smaller plays too, where I picked up $50 here, $100 there. But overall, 2151. That's pretty good. It's another back-to-back days of $2,000 roughly, which is nice. That's more than double my average day. So quite happy with that. Definitely happy with that. Anyway, guys, if you want more daily trading vlogs and trading tips with what I'm sharing throughout the day, and you can kind of see the symbols I'm sharing, that might give you guys some ideas for your own trades. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.